Okay, students, sorry for the interruption. There was memory limit. Okay, look at this example. It is very easy to find out the quantile with the help of pandas data frame or series object. We have to pass the value inside a list, create as series, and apply quantile method to find out the quantile means quartile, because of we are finding exactly at the 25%, and 25% is 25, 50 and 75. It means divide our numbers into 4 parts, and that's why we can say that we are trying to find out the quartile. Okay, so quantile of 25%, how we can divide these numbers? We are having 4 different numbers: 1, 10, 100 and 1000. So 25% will be at the, look at here, 1 is at the 0% position, 1000 is at the 100% position. So we cannot say 1 is directly above the 0%. Okay, now next 10 and 100 will be, now if we think that 50% position number, we cannot say directly it will be the number, but we can think if we divide these two numbers into 50% parts, it means 1 and 10 and 100 and 1000. But we want to find out exactly center position, it will be in between 10 and 100. There will be some number which will exist in between 10 and 100. So how we can find that exact number which is at the center position of all these 4 numbers? It is possible with the help of this example. We can learn from this example, but here we are trying to find out the 25% position, 0.25 quantile. How we can do it? It is divided into 2 parts. First step is this one. First, write Q as quantile. What we want to find out the quantile? Q means 25% quantile. Okay, and N means number of elements. Okay, so how many numbers are there? There are 4 numbers. So formalize this: N minus 1 into Q plus 1. It's very easy. N means number of elements, minus 1 multiply Q plus 1. So if we fill the value according to these variables, 4 minus 1 into 0.25 plus 1, what will be the result? First of all, we solve the bracket, it will be 3. Then 3 multiply 0.25 plus 1. According to BODMAS rule, first multiplication will be done. So 3 multiply 0.25 will be 0.75 plus 1, it will be 1.75. It will be 1.75. Though, so the result of this step is 1.75. It is not our result. It may be considered as the position. Now, second part of this, to find out the exact result. Now, integer part is a equal 1. Integer part of 1.75. If we discard the value after point, its integer part is a equal 1. Okay, and the fraction part is 0.25. If we divide this number into 2 parts, integer part and fraction part, so integer part is 1 and its fraction part is 0.75, and t is term. Okay, now what we can do, how we can find out our quantile? Formula is this: T1 plus B inside multiply inside bracket T2 minus T1. Okay, so T1 it is integer part, then B is its fractional part, then Here it is not a equal, this one is 1 plus 0.75 into 10 minus 1. So our two numbers are term 1 and term 2. Here our number exists in inside bracket 1 and 10. So 1 is this one T1, 1 is T1 and 10 is T2. So we are filling the value inside this. What we are doing, T1 plus B multiply T2 minus T1. T1 means 1 plus 0.75 into 10 minus 1. Okay. Its result is 1.0.75 into 9. If we multiply first, because of according to BODMAS rule, 0.75 multiply 9, its result is 6.75. Again, if we add this with 1, it will be 7.75. So our quantile is 7.75. So student, what you have to do, you have to remind these two formula. One is n minus 1 into q plus 1 and another is t1 plus b into t2 minus t1. Okay, it's very easy. Now some explanation is there, that in series 1, 10, 100 and 1000, 1 is at the 1 position, okay, 0 position, 10 is at 2, 100 is at 3rd and so on. Okay, here we are choosing t1 as 1 because at 1 position, t1 as 1 at because 1 position, value is 1 of t1. Here we are choosing value and then next fraction part is between 1 and 10, that is being found by 0.75 multiply 10 minus 1 and its result is 6.75. Next to a1, it is not directly value but it is next to 1, so we add 1 with 6.75 and that's why we are adding 1 with 6.75. So that's why our result is 7.75. Student, I will give some assignment to you to find out the quantile. It's very interesting. If you try, you will be able to find out. There are chances some question may be raised how to find out quantile, percentile from list of numbers. So today we learned, I have repeated mean, median, mode, then this quartile part. Okay, thank you. Okay.